By order of Tokugawa Ieyasu, the Owari clan built Nagoya Castle. Abundant timber from the mountains of Kiso was accumulated in Otsuda, and used for the construction of Nagoya Castle by the newly opened Horikawa River. Later, craftsmen involved in the construction of Nagoya Castle settled in the Horikawa area and began using wood to make things. This led to the birth of a wood culture in the area. At the same time, the foundation of Aichi and Nagoya as a manufacturing powerhouse was laid. I believe that we need to change from a linear economic society of mass production and mass consumption to a circular economic society. I believe that the entire Nagoya Castle area should be restored in wood. This is the starting point of my current activities. I believe that Tamanyagura turret, like Himeji Castle, is an integral part of the castle's appearance. At Nagoya Castle, too, I think it is necessary to restore the Tamanyagura, including reconstruction of the northeast corner turret. It also proposes to rebuild the Nainamaru Palace, the residence of successive Owari feudal lords. I hope it will be the third national guest house like Akasaka Rikyu Guest House and Kyoto Guest House. Compared to the Hanmaru Palace, the Nainamaru Palace does not have an exact drawing. However, there are many documents in the Kinjo Ankoroku, including elevation drawings. And the last lord of the Owari domain was fond of photography and took pictures from various angles. It is also said to have had the same shape as the Hanmaru Goten. I believe it is possible to restore them with these references. Quite abundant greenery is scattered throughout the Nagoya Castle San no Maru area. Many of the world's most famous cities also have abundant greenery. Government buildings in the San no Maru area are also facing reconstruction. In restructuring, I believe it is possible to reduce the size of the facility to 60% or 70% of its original size by using information technology. I am naming it San no Maru no Mori. I propose to build a government building in the forest, made of wood and not exceeding the height of Castle Tower.